Hey everyone, welcome back to the MEP Goddesses with Heather. I wanted to do a quick recap on everything that we've kind of looked at so far, button-wise, all these routing preferences and the tools. But I don't want to just review the buttons. I want to put it into practice. I want to show you how to design like an MEP goddess. So we're just going to jump right in. All right, first and foremost, you can see we have some routing here. If I need to add a branch to connect these floor drains, it's very easy to do in one click. There we go. We've changed our fitting, and I'm just going to continue on. So I've also gone through and set up some quick keys for my Revit, and I'm going to be using those today to show you how quick you can model with this. And I'll kind of talk about it as I go along. So we're just copying what we currently have, right? Let's just go there. There we go. And then we're going to do a little move connect. Yep. And you see if I hover over and tab that they are in fact connected. So another move connect, floor drain. There we go. So now, I'm not aligned with the branch. You can see I'm a little lower. That's fine. So I need to get it aligned. We're going to do the align branch and down. And pick our main, pick our branch. And you can see if you watch over here, these aren't moving in any which direction except for the Z-axis. Line branch and down. There we go. And then trim extend. And trim extend. Beautiful. So we got those drawn in pretty quick. Another thing that's really cool is if let's say I want to move this guy, 1'6", I can do so. And just by picking the pipe and moving it, again in 3D, not cutting any sections, and everything that's associated with it went with it. Not only that, I still have my slope. Let's hover over and tab select, you can see everything is still connected. So it's pretty awesome. All right, so let's say this is coming from another building, and we got to pick it up in this building. So we're going to connect this drain. I'm going to use the route to command to get these connected. Sure, 45 is great. I'm going to pick these 2 points and hit close, and you can see that that is now connected. So that is good. And now I'm going to connect these 2 mains together. It looks like we're a little off alignment. That's okay. We're just going to rotate this fitting. Rotate around this axis. Nope, that's not the correct. Not 90, I needed to do 45. So let's do this one and rotate fitting around this and 45, opposite direction. That should be, yes, that's much better. Okay, so we need to align our branch. This guy, you can see it just moved in the Z. And now from here I could do a trim connect. And that is done. So last thing to do would be to get this floor drain in there. Let me move this. I'm not selecting that line. Copy. Move connect. Cool. Now let's rotate around this axis, 90 degrees. Cool. And let's see, where are we at? Okay, so I need to bring it up. That's a little too long. Plus, I want to do a roll into main. So let's just look over here. I'm going to select some items. Oops, wrong button. There we go. And let's move. Let's go up. I don't know. 1'6". Let's check. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so you can kind of see that we've got some height now. Cool. Okay. Go that way, that'll do. So roll into main. Oh, one last little trick. I gotta toggle some things off. Let's see, this one and this one. We're gonna change to no 1/8 inch combo, and then we're gonna roll into main. Select main, and voila. Super simple. So that's how you design like a goddess and BIM like a goddess. As you can see, those routing commands are super simple. Oh, here, if we want to put in a clean out, let's click on this guy. We'll just add that real quick. And what was my quick command? I think E1 for up, elbow up. Yep. There we go. We got a clean out. We've got all these connected. We're good to go. So these tools are super, super efficient. They work with your workflow. It's not hard to install or get going. It's really just enhancing the current workflow that you have with better options. You know, Naviate isn't just another add-in. It's a proven portfolio of solutions designed to simplify Revit workflows, improve quality, and save time. Would you agree? Let me know your thoughts. Have a great day. Bye.